and go.
Welcome back to video number 3, Focus on Authenticity, Seeing and Living More of Who You Really Are. Let's examine how what others say influences us to be less authentic. We're going to talk about the shoulds in our lives. So I'd like for you to download the worksheet of the shoulds. Now, some of the shoulds that you've heard in your life are: you should get more sleep. You should eat healthier. You should spend less time watching television. You should go to college. These are all common shoulds that I know many of us have heard through our early life. And even now, some of those still. So on this worksheet, I'd like for you to complete your shoulds that you have heard through your life. There you can list about 8 shoulds here. So take the time to stop the video now and take the time to write, if you can, 8 or as many as you can that you remember of the shoulds that you've heard through your life. And then come back. Welcome back. How was that? Could you do this easily? Or did you struggle with remembering the shoulds that we have heard over our life? Well, there are 2 questions at the bottom of this sheet that I find valuable. Number 1, how much time and energy do you spend thinking about what you should be saying or doing in your life instead of what you want to say and do? The words there are your shoulds versus your wants. Those are your 2 key words there. In question 2, how does your should cause us to be less authentic in our lives? Now, stop the video. Take the time to answer these 2 questions and then return to the video. Welcome back. The key points that we wanted to get across in this video was when people try to change, this reinforces our feelings of inadequacy, like the girl in the box. When we feel inadequate, we aren't going to try to be more authentic. We're just going to try to fit in, to get along, not rattle the boat, shake the room, just fit in. The influence of people and society can make it difficult for us to do and say what is true for us. Even our own personal issues can stop us from being, doing, and saying what is true. If we want to live more authentically, we have to first become aware of and make full responsibility for the influence of other people, cultures, and even our own personal views of ourselves. In our next topic, we will be discussing if we feel like we aren't as good as others, we create a public persona that we believe will keep us make it in life, keep us making it in life. This persona is yet another thing that gets in the way of us expressing who we really are. We explore the differences between our true self and the facade we put in front of others in moments of interaction with other people. But first, I want to make you aware of a very special offer I have for you. I am ready and offering you today a customized effortless happiness strategy session. Now, during our time, I want to spend asking you questions causing you to reevaluate and to really walk away with these benefits. I want to create clarity around the life you really want to live. Find out the essential building blocks for having a life filled with effortless happiness. Discover the number one thing stopping you from living your passions and your purpose. And complete the consultation with the excitement of knowing exactly what to do, the next step, the next to create the life of effortless happiness. So I hope that you will schedule your time now by going to joycebufordempowers.com/effortless happiness. I can't wait to talk to you about this and plan your life going forward so that it is a life of effortless happiness. Thank you for being with us today on this segment. We look forward to the next segment.